All right, what's up, guys?
There's like Bill, you was saying the other day. He say, if I just go ahead and drop BMR, he say it'll take off, right? And I like, you're right, Bill, you're right. And maybe a couple hours after, I saw mine, and that bitch took off, man. I was pissed, man.
It happens like that sometimes, man. Patience is key.
Yeah, patience is key, but sometimes you be patient and they take all your money.
That's true too. It's all about positioning, right? I mean, you think about it. Anytime we're getting in the stock market, right? It's all about positioning. So, just things to take in consideration. Are we close to that 52-week low? How much do I really want to invest in this? Does this have the potential to go up or down? And how much percent does it have the potential to go up? And how much percent does it have potential to go down? Do I need to put in
Yeah,
light? Do I need to jump in heavy? Of course, I that is one rule. Like, I'm making some more rules. Like, I've been changing up my rules here lately because to make myself a stricter trader than I already am. And that's one of my rules now,
but
Investigate the stock before you investigate or buy into the stock.
you're right, John. I
If it
mean,
don't have
I trust you.
potential, there ain't no sense in it.
You check the stock, right? Man, you go deep. You like read their history and all that stuff. So I trust your call.
That's why I said BMR is going to be one to get into. I mean, just with the moves they've been making, and they want to be the next AMC. They want to be known with the big boys, but they're just behind right now. Verb went back up. Verb came back down. Verb went up.
Oh, yeah. So what's up with Verb right now? 'Cause, I can't see it right now because I'm working and just listening at the same time. But how much is it right now? I mean, what's the expectation today? Or what's your expectation today?
Well, I can't fully say that my expectation is today, but what I can say is that Verb itself. Let me see here. Let me pull it back up. I got BMR pulled up right now.
Okay.
And that's another thing, limiting your stocks. If you just got two or three stocks that you're playing and you're going in with a little money, and then when you see right before it pops, you go in with big money, you're going to be more profitable too. And another rule that I'm going to implement is I'm cutting my stop loss to 5 to 10% because as much research as I do, it never goes like if it goes below 5 or 10%, it's done.
Okay, I see.
So I'm cutting my stop loss. I'm shortening my stop loss on my losses, and I'm increasing it on my takes because the ones I've been looking up is 20+%, and that's going to be my expectation. But then my stop point in the positive will be 15 still. So say it goes up 20%, and then I see it coming back, I will be out before 15. That will be my cutoff. So anything above 15, thank you. But if anything else, I will bring my stop loss up to that 15%, and then whatever happens after that happens. But I want to cut my losses even more. And Verb does look like it's going. Verb's going to go. It's about to pump. It's pumping up right now from previous high. Go, baby. Go,
The
baby.
crazy
Go.
thing about Verb, it goes up and it goes down, it goes up and it goes down. That's how it plays.
Yeah, but I'm going for this 36 cents right here. Come on, baby. Get me there.
Yep. So you stop roll, you stop what, getting at what, 30, 15, 20?
Y'all check out clear
Huh?
at 21. Yeah, push, baby, push.
Which one?
Verb, push,
Oh,
baby.
okay.
Let's get to 23, 24. Let's do it. Yeah.
Yep.
Break. Man, 24 cents, man. 23, 24 cents.
Well, see, but I'm going to continue holding Verb. I think
Yeah,
this
I'm
one.
debating because I think it's gonna go 30 cents again and then 40.
Are you looking at my screen?
Nah, I'm about to click on it. Hold up.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
Yeah, I see it now.
Well, you see this hard downfall that it took right here? And
Yeah.
then right here, it reached that low, right? It reached its
Yeah.
bottom right here. So now that it reached its bottom right here, bro, I mean, it's the only ways up
It's
from here.
making my way uptown.
Look at this one. Do you see this? Look at the volume going up from it. And it's right here right now. It's
Now
down
I
here.
need something like that. That's fire.
Hell yeah, bro. But this right here, if even if it doesn't break today, at most it may go back down to that 11 cents, but I ain't even sweating it just because of what's coming.
Yeah.
That right there is good. I mean it's got that potential to get back up to that 92 cents. Of course, you know it's going to do a quick pump like it always does.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to I'm going to put some stop losses in and just keep an eye on it. That's all you can do, right?
It's about to break 22.
I think it's going to go to that 30 cents today. I'm hoping it is.
Yeah, the volume. They got to get that 100 million volume. And I think it's going to get that too. 44 million. Fly high, eagles. Fly. You're going to see a lot of people pulling out around 24, 23. I think definitely, I don't know, it might break the 30 like you said, man.
I'm going for that 36 cents, bro. That's what I'm hoping
Yeah.
for.
Yeah, that would be whew.
It may not get up that far today, but we'll see. We'll just see how far it goes.
Yeah.
If people just ride it out, come on, guys, just hang in there. Just hang in there. It's up 8%, 9%. Shit, I put in that options play on my sections, and I forgot to put in Verb. Good gracious. Oh well.
You good. You already know about Verb. It's the most, you got the most volume right now.
See, that's why I'm so excited about the premium package, bro. Because then, that's where I'm going to live anyway, is in that classroom during the mornings doing this. So that's where it's going to matter at. And then whenever I'm done for the morning, I'll post all my stuff and then go do my other businesses for the rest of the day and then come back that evening, get back in, just keep doing my thing. I'm starting to get a good system going now. And plus, with this new, where the stock market has been so crazy anyway and it's been so everywhere, I mean, I had to change up a couple things to get in the positive again. And we there.
Yeah.
Just because it's so volatile right now, the market's crazy.
Yeah. Oh man, 22. Definitely 26.
Yeah, so it may have a little pullback because that 25, that's probably where it'll stop at for a minute.
Yeah.
But I don't know, man. I don't know.
What did you get in? What did you put in?
I think I got in at like 18 cents or 19 cents, wasn't it?
I got it at 20.
Oh, you got it at 20.
Oh, yeah. I got in at 20 cents too. I did too. 201. I had to go back and look because I had to do a limit order, so I wasn't 100% sure. Is it 18.99? It's at 21 cents right now.
Okay. Because like I said, I'm at Bluetooth working and talking to y'all, so I can't see what's going on.
Well, I mean, it'll. I don't know. I don't think it'll go there today just because I'm sure the market is bearish today simply because of all the CPI information coming out. But I will say this. It is at that low where when it does pop, it will pop. Like up to $1, I think. Because
You
Verb
remember?
is backed.
Go ahead. Go ahead, John. Sorry.
Verb is backed by social media, right? And we're using social media right now, like literally right now. But we don't sell nothing on a Discord, right? But or I don't know if anybody else does, but you think about it. You got Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Odyssey, and this company Verb, they do all the financials for the people who sell products on those platforms. They take care of the finance in, that's what their company does. And now they're signed on with TikTok. Well, we all know, of course, all the crap they're talking about TikTok, but either way, it's still a very popular. They can't even take TikTok down. They can't even take it down. They've tried. Our government's tried. Oh man, they've tried.
You remember last time I was telling you if you have any money on TikTok, take it out because this fucker was tripping about TikTok.
TikTok is a social media for, not only the U.S., but you think about it, China, it connects us to everybody else. There's not that complete control with TikTok. Now, I'm still watching this. I'm still watching this stock. It did pop up to that 21 cents right there. I'm debating on getting out of it and getting back in it. But I just don't see it falling far. I mean, if it does, it's only going to 11 cents. If it does. So that's only going to put me in compliance. What is 11 cents at 100 shares? At 20 cents. What's that? 9%? Or no, that's only 7%, right? It's only about 7%. So I'll be okay. At least
John, you say 7%. You might be 1% off. Remember, you always do that.
I may be 1% off. That's a possibility. It could be 6. It could be 8. That's very, very.
I know you always say that. I'm like, oh man, I'm always 1% off.
I'm always off by 1%. I don't know why. You know what it is? You know what my buddy told me it was? I mean, like he's a math geek, and he says, you know why you're always off by 1%? Because you don't do the fractions. You don't count the decimals. I said, well, that's why we call it a roundabout. I'm not even going to say average. It's a roundabout, But that's what he told me. He says because you don't count your decimals. If you count your decimals, that wouldn't happen. I was like, don't be a smart ass. Yeah, see, it's tapering back. Do what now?
Is he lying?
I'm sorry, I was looking at this stock. What did you say?
No, never mind. Go ahead, John.
No, I was just watching. Verb is coming back down, but I think I'm just going to 29 minutes ago, some information come out. Verb Technology rising Thursday. What's going on?
That's John. That's a lie, man. The TikTok thing is a lie because I saw it like 4 days ago myself about TikTok. And how is that going to be a new news if I saw it 4 days ago, a few days ago?
That's Bazinga. That's why I didn't even pull it up. I didn't even look at it after I read that. I was like, I don't trust.
Sometimes they say anything to pump something. You know what I mean?
Yeah. There's 2 tweezer candles. That's why what I call them the other day, Twizzlers. Yeah. Right there'd been your indication. That was a good one. I would have thought right there though, but that's what it does. It pops up a little bit, it dumps a little bit, pops up a little bit, dumps a little bit, and bam.
Which stuff that I was asking you earlier, John, I send you a text. I was asking you about two stocks that you can look at.
ANGH
Yeah,
was the one I
how's
liked.
that going? Because I'm thinking about getting in on that one.
Well, let me go to the 4 hour because this is. Let's see where we're at. ANGH. Dang, that thing popped back up to 6.9%. Do you see that?
No, I can't. I can't see it. I can just listen to you.
Oh, I was talking about Verb.
Oh,
ANGH. It. I'm not gonna lie. It looks really good. Whenever it came down to that 80 cents. So let's see here. Yeah, whenever it was down there. Let me wheel this back out. Pull it back in. Yeah. So I had a nice little pop right there. Made that tabletop. Just about. No? Yeah, it did hit. Okay. As long as it hits. Doji. So. This one's going to pull back just a little bit more. Not much. Because right here was the previous bottom, as you can see. I mean, once it hit this line, I mean, it popped back up. And it's done that every time on that line. It hasn't went past it since the beginning here. So let's go ahead and mark both those spots. And we'll just go ahead and pull this one out real quick. Okay. Oh, and it did. It went through both of those, and it still come through, so that might be good. So we'll go to the bottom. Yeah.
what's the price right now?
126.
126. Okay.
Yep. Map it out real quick, and we'll keep an eye on this one. See what it does. Okay. Now, once we get this mapped out, are you keeping an eye on Verb?
Verb about to go down. The whole market's about to go red.
Yeah.
Whole market's about to go red. Y'all you in Verb now?
I'm in Verb. You think I should just... I don't know if I'm going to sell off. I think I can hold it and be okay.
Yeah, I'm
I think you should hold it. I'm in there at 20%.
I'm gonna be very mad if this go up to at least 26 cents and I'm not in it.
I'm going to be mad too.
You gotta be expecting a much bigger move off of Verb. Like they probably finna push Verb to $1.
See, I'm allowing emotions come in. According to my information, Verb will go up. If it's not today because the market's, bearish overall, that's fine. But I'm hanging in there because I've got to stop. I've got to stop doing that. I got to start trusting what I'm looking at because every time I see it blow up, then I'm pissed off.
What
So
I
I'm
what I
not
do,
doing that.
I just go based off the indicators, you know, like
That's it.
literally just based off the oversold, turnover, bought. But this thing, so right now we're looking at verb on our 15-minute charts and our minute charts and whatnot, right? It's overbought, indicating that it's going to take a quick dip, especially like how we say with the markets going a little bit more red and whatnot.
Yeah,
Now,
yeah.
for the longer move though, you can see verb on your daily charts and swings on your swing charts and whatnot. They getting ready to retest that next round of bullish divergence. It's
Yep.
gonna be a little slow today, but in the next few days, bro, they finna make this thing retest the dollar. I mean, try to retest that dollar.
I think they're going to build it up down here while it's down here at this new low. They're going to get it as many stocks filled as they can, and then they're going to release the beast on that sunbuck.
Y'all still on BMR? I'm in BMR up 12% still.
I'm holding BMR. BMR is going to make the move. It may be next week, but it's still going to make the move. I think it'll be next week after they have their grand opening with the new visual thing, whatever it was. They're doing the big reveal next week. Watch it break on stage.
Yo, everybody's getting in on NKLA right now.
NKLA. What's going on in
55 million
NKLA?
volume. That's what I'm saying. Why everybody get in there like that?
You better wait till it
That's
gets
a
back
stock I
down.
asked you about before,
Yeah, I'm gonna
John.
wait till after the
I
market.
asked
I'm
you
putting
about
it
this
before.
before.
Let it get back to 70 cents, guys. I'm telling you.
Yeah, not right now. Not a good time. It's gonna
70 cents or
drain.
less.
Yeah.
But yeah, this ANGH, it won't be long for it either. We're just gonna mark it out today, though. We don't have to hurry up on it.
Yeah, and I'm like, Verb is just gonna hit at least 23, and it's fighting, but everybody's gonna keep taking.
Yep.
But patience is a virtue, so I'm gonna just wait.
100%.
Man, you know, y'all see rent is the number one stock for the day.
Is it?
Whoa.
Rent, the number one stock for the day. They in there talking about rent in the main chat right now.
That's all right. These ones that I'm following, I'm looking for that big pop, that big breakout. I'm looking for a payday.
You know what? I ain't even gonna look at Verb no more. I'm just gonna let it play out. He's doing fine.
Yeah. I may set a stop loss on Verb at 11 cents because I don't want to go below 11 cents. That's all I'm willing to risk, because if it goes below 11 cents, that's because the market crashed.
Yeah, that's the only thing that's stopping it right now.
That's why you got to make sure you got a stop loss on everything, especially on Fridays.
John, I know I asked you about two stocks. What were the other one?
I'll have to look and see real quick. Give me just a second, because I just focused on ANGH because it looked better.
It looks good.
And ANGH does. Yeah, I'm setting it up right now.
Yeah, set it up and let me know when to get in because I like that one. I think last time I made like 7 or 8% and got out a few days ago.
Yeah. Well, it looks like it's about to lay a flat top through here, so that's why I'm drawing this up like I am, because it looks like we're going to have to break one of either the new support line or the previous resistance, so to get that for sure, followed by volume. So, okay. All right. So does that look pretty good to everybody? You can see it well. So now that new support and current support, now we're going to see which way it goes. Because we know if it goes below, which I know there's a lot of people that get confused on this, so this is how I'm going to do this one. I'm actually going to do this. I'll put the bottom underneath. Because I had a couple people ask me about that. And I'll put in another line just for clarification. Yeah. What is this? How can I say this?
Say it. Call it as you see it.
I'm saying chat. Well, I'm right. I'm drawing a. I'm making out like a little diagram on this stock, and I'm just trying to make sure I do it, the simplest way and most understanding. Check the candles for the direction of the stock. And what else was I going to say? Actually, I'll say plus volume plus momentum. equals banger. Oh, I probably shouldn't put that. Equals explosion. Did you guys ever get to talk to the professor yesterday?
No, not me.
I had to go to that
Yeah,
meeting.
yeah, I did. He jumped in here and he was talking for a good while, talking about IFUS and what he done did and all that stuff like that.
Cool. I hated that I missed it. But I had that meeting yesterday afternoon I had to go to. I got to go today at lunch and go do my things for that. There we go.
Yeah, another hot day, man. Woke up locking in games on swing trades, day trades exploding, options trades running. Now you got to sit back and wait for the next set of swings to explode. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat.
Yeah, ANGH. I think that stock is gonna be good. Really, you should check it out. I know John is checking it right now.
I can't. You said NAGX?
No, ANGH. I believe.
ANGH. Angela, Nicholas, Greg, Harrison. Bird back down 4% to 4%, but I'll take 4%. That's all right. Keep going, baby. BMR popped up a little bit.
A decent move on ANGH. You got a low volume. You know that low volume is gonna be our friend in the stock, making this climb up clean. It's
You like it
decent.
too?
Yeah, it look good in there. It look good in there.
Yeah. So when is a good time to get in? John, did you go down?
For the after hours.
Yep.
After hours.
Yep. End of day. Just at the end of the day. Okay.
What about RCON, Billy? RCON.
RCON's on a downward trend right now. Let's see if it's made it to that bottom yet. No, currently it's at its strong suit.
The other one was better.
Yeah.
Other one.
This one gonna be choppy.
Even other ones, you have to wait till after market, right? I mean, not right now. Just wait till after market before you get in.
Reason why I say wait towards the after hours is because when we getting into stocks during the intraday, like how I already done entered into my new set of swings today during the intraday, there's still a lot of uncertainties you can face. The markets being, for one, the markets being red in general creates the biggest uncertainty. Because now that the markets are red, we already know that things are going to get bearish and people might be selling things off. You know?
Oh, I see. I see. Yeah.
Yeah. When you wait till the after hours, everybody, all the day traders already done made their move. All the market conditions are done. When you wait till the after hours, you only gotta hope for one thing. You just gotta hope that the markets open up bullish. And if it does, then your stock explode.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait till the after hours. I mean, unless you really antsy and you busy, you ain't got time to look, you just gotta do it for now, or it might be too late. That's a different case because sometimes it be like that.
I see.
But as for now, the new swings, these motherfuckers, they going not finna swing today though. You're not gonna. Bird might. Bird just might do it today. If any of them I got right now gonna do it, it'll be Bird. I don't even think DMR stock is gonna do it today, especially since the market is getting more bear. It was just like we were talking about yesterday. The markets are gonna open up for a quick round of bullishness and then start to continue on bearish for the next couple days and whatnot. That's how it goes.
Yep. I got a big sale this weekend, so that won't hurt me too bad. Why it does its bull crap, and then Monday we come in hot and heavy and ready to rock. Yeah, that ANGH. We were actually talking about this the other day. You remember that, Ash?
Mm-hmm.
So
Hold on one second, John. Sorry.
no, you're fine. You're fine.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you say about ANGA?
ANGH. That's one we were talking about the other day. We were actually talking about this stock the other day.
Okay.
I think Billy's right though. Where the stock has already been bearish. I'm sorry. Where the market's already been bearish. You can see. Even looking at ANGH right now, I think it's going to have a little pullback too. I don't think it's going to go below the dollar. If it does, I wouldn't even look at it because I just don't think it will. If it does go below that dollar, there's a good chance it might go down to that 80 cents. So, that's the only thing about that I would be worried about. But even then, let's see here. ANGH. Let me get pulled up over here. No, dude. This is another one. It's just a matter of time. It is just a matter of time. It's going to pop back up to that 238. It may not be today. It may not be tomorrow. But it's going to go back up to that 238 because that's its average. And I mean, it's at what? It's low right now. It's at $1 or something. What'd that say? So, it's crazy. Whew. Definitely want to have some money freed up for Monday of next week.
Yep. That would be the best thing to do.
I'm telling you, next week's going to be interesting. Or, where if you haven't tapped out on all your stocks this week, so like, your day trades or your swing trades, if you haven't used them all up yet, I'd probably go ahead and get some in this week if you can. That way next week, starting on Monday, you're going to be getting out of trades from this week and still have all your trades for next week.
Yeah, but it matters which stock you get into. Or
100%. But I think the ones we're talking about now, like, okay, BMR. We know that BMR is low, and we know it has to go back up. It has to get back to in compliance. Um, ANGH. This is another one that I'm watching right now, and I'm going to be watching this one simply because it is at a low. And I'm telling you, ANGH will pop back up. And it's going to get back up to that 238 range for sure. Because now that it's set that new high of 250, 238, that's a strong position until, people sell off, but there's too many people in this one. It has good volume, it just doesn't have enough momentum yet. But the reason it don't have enough momentum, look at the market, it's bearish right now. But yeah, this one's got a place to be. I'm just going to try and catch a ride. The only thing is, if it does break past that dollar, there's a chance it could fall off all the way down to that 80 cents. If it goes down to that 80 cents, the next thing I'd be looking for is 67 cents. So I mean, this is just one we're going to have to watch right now. But I don't think it's going to do that. I don't think it's going to do that at all. I think it's going to grow because all right, the previous low was $1.11, right? And let's see here. $1.28. Upper band at 80. 74. Yep. So. Okay, so yeah, again, this is just a bear market, but this is another one definitely to have on our list just to watch what it does. But currently, I'm not seeing it going any lower. Let me go down to the 10-minute. I'm in the 4-hour. It says sell, so I'm assuming that it is going to fall a little bit more. But let me go over here to the financials real quick. And it's in neutral. So if it's in neutral, it may just stay in neutral like it says, or it may sell a little bit more. Let's see what the time frame is on this one. Where's it hot at? So it says 1 week. So this one's going to be exploding next week just like BMR is. And that's just the neutral zone, but you know how it is with these stocks. People jump in, jump out. I think this was a pump and dump stock too, wasn't it? No? Looks like people's been riding this one pretty hard.
Now it's stable.
Yeah, it's pretty stable. I mean, it has had some pump and dumps, though, for real. And then it come back below it. So right here, it's probably going to go sideways a little bit before it shoots up. Not too much. So this will be another stock for next week. But I think it's already hit that bottom at that see it drop down to that 90, 91, 93 cents right there, then pop back up over $1 to $1.40, and then brought it back down to its current price at 124. So definitely one to keep our eyes on. Especially what is today? Today's just Thursday, so we can definitely check this out tomorrow too. Tomorrow might be the day that we get our revenge on these. Yeah, if it pulls back, I don't see it going past that $1.11 for sure. I don't see it going past the $1.20, but if it does, it'll go to $1.11. I think that's something I can deal with too. I don't know. This is another one, Ash, that I'm going to look at this afternoon. Kind of like Billy said, especially in this kind of market, is the best time to look at these kind of stocks is going to be in the afternoon. So I'm just going to add this to your list, Ash. Okay. That way I can keep up with it. I think it's on my hot list too, but I'll just add it to yours.
Yeah. Do that. Put them on both. So I can get the credit for it. Maybe Billy gonna give me some money.
Billy made a lot of moves this morning. I got to get rid of some of his stocks that I got in his list.
EFTR.
EFTR. EFT's up. Ooh, that might be a good time to get an EFT. I just messed up topping, Billy. No, she's about to pull back. But she's still on the up and up. She's still climbing. The overall. Okay, EFTR. We'll check this one out coming up next.